Hey guys, it's Kevin from Dahua Technology, and today we're looking at Dahua's D-Volt Pro, a flexible, intelligent EV charging solution designed for both residential and commercial installations. If you're looking for simple, safe and smart charging, this unit is definitely one to consider. The D-Volt Pro is available in multiple sizes to suit your charging needs. A 7 kilowatt system for basic home charging, 11 kilowatts 3-phase for larger installs, and up to 22 kilowatts for high-speed charging when your supply allows. With a Type 2 connector standard across the range, it's compatible with most modern EVs. Both socket and tethered versions are available, depending on your site preference. But the D-Volt Pro is much more than just a plug-in EV charger. It's packed with intelligent features to optimize your charging. Built-in dynamic load management ensures your EV charging doesn't overload your home's electrical system, automatically balancing power between your charger and other appliances. Plus, it supports solar energy integration, allowing you to charge your EV directly from your solar system for even greener solutions. With the D-Volt app and desktop platform, you can remotely control your monitoring charging real time, reviewing charging history and costs, set access permissions, and receive firmware updates for enhanced functionality. And like all Dahua products, safety is at the core of the design. The D-Volt Pro features 14 layers of safety protection, built-in RCD linkage protection, and an IP66 waterproof and dustproof rating, and a strong IK10 impact-resistant enclosure for both indoor and outdoor use, even in tough weather conditions. Installation is flexible with wall mount or pole mount options, making it ideal for homes, workplaces, apartment complexes, or even public charging networks. So to summarise the product, available in 7, 11 and 22 kilowatt sizes, Type 2 plug with a socket cable versions, dynamic load management and solar ready, app controlled monitoring and reporting, advanced safety features with durable outdoor protection, and backed by Dahua's 3-year warranty. The D-Volt Pro delivers safe, simple and intelligent EV charging, whether you're installing one at home or managing a full fleet. For more information about the D-Volt Pro or any other models, visit our website or reach out to your trusted Dahua dealer. And remember, Dahua is an innovative IoT company providing affordability and reliability. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more from Dahua Technology.